Hello guys and welcome. This video is a short step-by-step tutorial on how to download, install and use my new program Antidote. This is a remake of my previous project called Win11GS, short for Windows 11 Gamer Setup. It features a brand new UI, a genuine icon, dozens of additions and extensive fixes while keeping the core philosophy of the original. So what is Antidote? Antidote is a one-stop tuning utility for Windows 10 and 11. It bundles dozens of system maintenance, performance, privacy and cleanup tasks behind a simple checkbox interface. Pick exactly what you want, preview safely in dry run mode and run. Every action is reversible via built-in restore point, explicit reverse faces and rerunning Windows defaults. Every option includes a detailed in-app explanation so you can know exactly what it does before committing. Okay. And this is for gamers, privacy conscious people, power users, ET pros and technicians, new PC setups, slow or cluttered PCs. It has all these features that it's opt-in everything, and dry run mode, built-in restore point, in-app explanations, reverse faces, bulk up installer, bulk up uninstaller, light and dark themes, persistent settings, detailed logs, cancel anytime, and UAC aware. So it auto elevates to administrator on launch. So when you have pressed that you accept admin rights, you don't need to press it again in the program itself. It is only one time. So the available phases: safety, to create our system restore point, goes through health and repair, there runs DISM health check and SFC/scan to repair the component store and fix corrupted system files. It does check disk. It reads only scan of the C drive. This can take 30 to 60 minutes, recommended after power loss or improper shutdowns. So this will check your disk if there's any corruption, and it will fix some things automatically. Cleanup, it will do deep cleanup. It will clean the temp files in the temp folders and the prefetch, Windows Update downloads, thumbnail caches, recycle bins, recent files, jump lists and error reports. It will do some disk optimization by trimming or defragging your SSD or your hard drives. It will go through the power plan and set it to the ultimate power performance plan. It will set the visual effects to best performance, and it will enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. There's a lot that you can read here. Actually, I'm not going to go through each and every feature of it. You can go and look for it yourself. But so what you will do to download this is that you will go to these releases. You will see the latest release. It will have this tag saying latest. You can read a bit here if you want. You can stop the video and read this part if you want. I will just click here now so I can download it, and it will download, and you go to your downloads folder, you right click and you press run as administrator. It will show up this smart screen, but it's only because of that I haven't signed this with a verified certificate yet, because verified certificates, they cost money. So I will run it anyways. And now we have it. This is the Antidote program made by me, Epictetus. So what you can do in here is a lot. And I will just show you how it will look like if you do all of these tasks. But these two that says reverse, it is only if you run this and you are unsatisfied, you can clear all you can go back into this program and clear all, and then you can press reverse. And it will reverse the main registry things and network things that it changes. If it would be any bugs for you, it has not been any bugs for me though. So for me, I will run everything except the reverse and the creator system restore point, because I trust this one. And also I will not press install selected apps. If you want to install any apps, if this is like a new computer or something, and you just want to install apps fast and get the latest version of it directly from the servers that Microsoft has stored for the apps, then you can press this one, and then you go to choose apps to install, and then you can clear all if you want, and you can pick and choose whatever you want. And there's a lot. There is browsers, there is utilities, there are some cleanup programs, some security programs, communication programs, media programs, development programs, gaming programs. If you want to use Steam, Epic Games Launcher, GOG Galaxy or Heroic Games Launcher, you can install everything here. And there is 3 different options. There is clear all, minimal, and recommended. And you can look through what all of this does when you yourself use this program, if you are planning to use it. So I'm gonna clear all and press save, because I don't need any applications right now. There is an option for application updates. This option here. If you click this one, it will scan your computer for any missing updates that you can download and install directly without even touching anything after that you have pressed these run selected phases. And if there is anything you want to read about more than these vague descriptions here, there is info here. All of these buttons are clickable, and it has related information for each step. And beside the info, there's this other here. It says idle. So this, when you run it, it will give you a status if it has successed the task or if it would have failed it, and which one is running and which ones are still idle. Okay, so if we go here, for example, we see a system repair, DISM and SFC. You can press info, and then you can read about what this does, so you can know what the program will do. It will do these commands: DISM check health, DISM scan health, DISM restore health. It can take 5 to 15 minutes. Then 4, it will do the SFC/scan now. And then we have this one here, check disk. You can read here what this does. It will check disk. And yeah, also you can read about, you can say this one, because this one, it will give you an FPS boost if you're gaming a lot, but it will do it on the cost of some security, because it will turn off the visualization based security. You can read about it here. Read carefully, it says. This phase intentionally weakens Windows security in exchange for performance. It is off by default. Do not enable it casually. What this does, it disables the hypervisor and enforced code integrity, and it disables the credential guard, and it disables the underlying virtualization based security. So this is a performance gain for some people, but if you really care about your security, you should not use that one. I will use it though, because I don't care. And then here there is this option here to uninstall apps. This will be empty when you open it. You can see you can drag around these windows however you want. But so this will be empty. What you will have to do is to scan for installed applications down here. And then there's this checkbox to create a system restore point before uninstalling any applications. And this window will uninstall it when you press this button. Okay, so when it has scanned for the applications, it will say here if it's user, or if it's system, or if it's drivers. And I made it impossible for anyone to accidentally uninstall something that is system, even though Microsoft Edge is here. Some people want to uninstall that, but the program has detected that it's licensed by Microsoft, so it will list it as system and it will not remove it for you. You will not be able to uninstall those things. But if you want to uninstall the applications that you have installed yourself very fast, then you can do it. You just check these boxes. You can use this if you want, and then you press remove selected, and it will wipe those applications automatically from your system. But so now when I have checked these boxes here that I want to check, I don't want to check this and I don't want to check this because I don't need to reverse these two when I'm going to show you guys this. And also, like, this is only if there's any bugs that you stumble upon. If there's anything that you don't like about the registry tweaks or the network tweaks, because this gives me some FPS boost and stuff like that. But if it doesn't do that for you, it can be different for every kind of computer. With the network tweaks, it can be different based on what kind of adapter, and if you have like 4G, 5G or 6G networking. So if there would be any trouble, clear all, press this, press this, and then press run selected, okay? But so I want to do everything except those two, and except this one, because I trust this program, because I have made it. So you press run selected. It will say no apps. Oh yeah, wait. So it will say you are about to run, and the amount of phases that you have selected. This will modify your system, services, registry, installed apps, power settings, and network stack. Tip: include the create system restore point as a safety net. You want to continue, you press yes. And this will take some time. So right now I will mute my mic and I will crank up this music a bit. Just sit back and relax. You can skip this part if you want to, or you can look at how it does everything. As you can see guys, the program has succeeded now. All selected phases completed. A restart is recommended for the changes to take full effect. Do you want to reboot now? Yes or no? I will press no on this now because I don't need to reboot right now. I'm going to finish this video and all of that. So yeah, here now you can see everything that has been done, and it is related to the choices that you have chosen here. So I didn't click create a restore point, so it didn't do anything. I didn't click this one, so it went idle. I didn't click this one, so it went idle. I didn't click this one either, so it went idle. If you want to look through like the log of this, there's this log down here also, but it's very small. So you can open the log folder and you will see here the Antidote. Inside here you can read about everything that it has done, and if there would be any error, then it would say that some failed or some didn't fail. So yeah guys, yeah, also I want to show you guys this step here. I have prepared this for us. So here we can see the differences from a very old stream of mine to that one. So this is this is 3 weeks ago, and this is yesterday. So you can see at the difference, like if there is any lag and stuff, like in the video to the right, I'm using 200 different mods altogether, and in the video to the left side I'm using like 120 mods. So on the right side I have added even more mods than on the left side, and I think that you guys can see the differences. So yeah guys, please tell me down in the comments what you think about this program, and as I have said, the link to the program will be down in the description. You just go to, it will be like in this video, you go here, it will say download, yeah, it will say download Antidote. This is the old program. The Win11GS is the old version, the old project. This Antidote is a new project, so it has a different link. I will update these links in the older videos too, and in the video description here that you are watching right now, I will have the updated link too. So yeah guys, I hope that you have liked this video, that you have found it very informative, and until next time, I hope that you have a nice day, and take care. Okay, bye bye.